Pregnancy and mother's health. In this video, we are going to look at mother's health during pregnancy, placenta, mother's lifestyle and baby's health. Mother's health during pregnancy. A mother's good health during the pregnancy is vital for the well-being of the baby. The physical and mental health of the mother directly impacts the development and growth of the fetus. Mothers need to keep their emotions strong, as it will affect the baby growing inside them. Stress and anxiety experienced by mothers during pregnancy can affect the developing baby's brain and body. Placenta. During pregnancy, the placenta provides oxygen and food to the baby. It also removes the waste products from the blood of the fetus. The baby's abdomen is connected to the mother's placenta using the umbilical cord. The amniotic fluid surrounds and cushions the fetus within the amniotic sac. This fluid-filled sac provides protection against knocks and bumps and allows the fetus to move, grow, and develop. Mother's lifestyle and baby's health. Pregnant women must follow a healthy lifestyle by eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly to deliver a healthy baby. If the mother smokes or drinks alcohol during pregnancy, the harmful substances in the blood can cross the placenta and reach the fetus, causing damage to it. Also, smoking might reduce the oxygen to the fetus. A woman should avoid eating uncooked or raw meat during pregnancy, as it increases the risk of toxoplasmosis.